What is up, YouTube? I am back with another video. I'm not doing them in stereo style today, as I've been pretty busy and I got other things to get to, so I gotta do this quick and as quick as possible with y'all. Alright, so iOS 13.5 has now been released to the public. So, hold on, let me do this thing. So, what I'm gonna do is I had to shut my door. So we're gonna see what's in this update.
Voice landscape setting. iPadOS 13.5 speeds up access to the passcode field on devices with Face ID when you are wearing a face mask and introduces an option to control automatic prominence of video tiles on group FaceTime calls. This update includes bug fixes and other improvements. So
for the iPhone, it's about the same too. So iPadOS and iOS are about the same with 13 and how it is, but 14 is rumored to actually iPadOS is going to take off to other ways. So, if this thing's gonna work for me.
Simple Face ID and passcode.
So we're gonna go to Face ID and passcode first.
Bullet list simplified unlock process for devices with Face ID when you are wearing a face mask.
Alright.
Bullet. Passcode field automatically presented after swiping up from the bottom of the lock screen when you are wearing a face mask.
Well, that's good.
Bullet. Also works when authenticating with the App Store, Apple Books, Apple Pay, iTunes, and other apps that support signing in with Face ID. List end.
Okay, that did not actually show on my iPhone, but yeah, that's pretty good. Well, my iPhone is a iPhone 7 still.
FaceTime.
Alright, here's FaceTime. As I know a lot of people are now home with this, with this quarantine and all this stuff. They're home doing stuff. Or they're home using FaceTime, Zoom, Google Meet, whatever else.
Bullet. Option to control automatic prominence on group FaceTime calls so video tiles do not change size when a participant speaks. List end.
Oh, I'm gonna enable that to where they don't change. That kind of does get annoying.
This update also includes bug fixes and other improvements.
Okay.
Bullet. Fixes an issue where users may see a black screen when trying to play streaming video from some websites.
Oh, fascinating.
Bullet. Addresses an issue in the share sheet where suggestions and actions may not load. List end.
Okay, that's good.
Some features may not be available for all regions or on all Apple devices.
Okay, so on the iPhone, there is weird. Let me go get my iPhone. I'll show y'all. Voiceover wise. So on my iPhone, I do it on the iPad because it's easier to use and whatever else, if you're wondering. So I go down to the
Voiceover on. This update also includes bug fixes and other improvements. Bullet. Fixes an issue where users may see a black emergency services.
Emergency services.
Bullet. Lists option to automatically share health and other essential information from your medical ID with emergency services when you place an emergency call. US only. List end.
Okay, so that's only available in the United States. So my audience, it's in the United States. If y'all did not understand that, I'll slow it down a little bit just so people can understand.
Setting headings contain speaking with words. Speaking 50%. Emergency bullet. Option to automatically share health and other essential information from your medical ID with emergency services when you place an emergency call. US only. List end.
Which that's pretty cool.
Voiceover off.
That's exciting. I'm gonna download the update for both of these devices. All right, so for my iPad Pro.
About this. Done. Button. iPadOS 13.5. Apple Inc. 331.7 megabytes.
337 point. Well, whatever it says right here.
Screen recording in progress. iPadOS 13.5. Apple Inc. 331.7 megabytes.
331.7 megabytes on the iPhone. It is 370.8 megabytes on my iPhone 7. So anyways, iPadOS 13.5 and iOS 13.5 are now available. Go to Settings, General, and Software Update. If you do not see it, like I had a problem with it, reboot your phone and it will populate on your device. So anyways, I want to thank everyone so much for watching, and I will see y'all in another video.
Voiceover off.